Just a simple video about how I make rice crackers or oily rice crackers from leftover rice. This is leftover brown rice that I just dumped in my cast iron pan with minimal oil, and I added some sesame oil and some cut seaweed. There's dry seaweed and hydrated seaweed or wakame, because when I make rice, I put wakame in there so when the rice cooks, it cooks with seaweed. And I like to eat rice that way. When I have leftover rice, if I don't want to turn it into porridge or fried rice, I'll just grill it on the cast iron pan and make it crispy. And you see, I boil the rice in a little ceramic thing. I put the rice, the grains, and the water, and I boil it for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I just let it steam for 20 minutes. Maybe I'll go over making rice in a ceramic pot, like video. You can make one of those, and you can see a little bit, it's a little brown on the edges, and well, I'll come back after this is done. I'm going to wait for the whole thing to crisp up. It takes a while. I like to just leave it and maybe bring a notebook over and start writing in my journal, or bring something to do and stand next to this, because I don't want to leave it alone, you know? You're not supposed to leave things that are on the stove alone unless you have a timer, and I don't time this. Maybe I should. Then I don't have to walk back and forth, then I don't have to be standing right next to it. But we'll see. I guess I'll start timing it today or something. Okay, the rice has been in here for 3 minutes, and we're gonna see how it's. Oh yeah, it's nice and it's crispy. It's browning at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and add salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper. So this is just a mortar and pestle that I use to grind sea salt and black pepper, and then I have some chili flakes I'm going to add, and I didn't attach my phone to something, so I'm just going to be holding it. I think you can see some of the specks of salt and pepper, and so I tossed it in there. I'm going to stir this around. It's been grilling at medium-high, so I'm just stirring it to break up the pieces. Basically, you stir in the salt and pepper and soy pepper since it's done. I technically could turn the heat off right now since it's done. That's probably what I should do so it doesn't burn. Yep, turn the heat off. And then just stir it to combine the seasoning. I like it crispy and crunchy, so I'm going to actually leave it in the pan to dry out some more before I start to eat it. Because also it should cool down. Well, it's in a hot pan. It's not going to cool down that much, but it's going to get dry and crispier if I let it sit in the pan for a longer period of time. Sometimes I'll just fry dry wakame, or I'll eat the seaweed plain, because I buy it bulk and I put it in a glass jar, and I'll eat this instead of potato chips because it's salty and it's crispy. I'll show you in a bit after I open it. Okay, I need 2 hands to open it. Okay, so see this, and here. It's dry and salty, ocean flavored snack. I can chew on it, or I can just keep it in my mouth. When I'm craving salty food, I'll just keep this in my mouth. Sometimes having salty food helps me feel better. If I feel lightheaded or nauseous, sometimes it's because I'm hungry. Sometimes I just need some salt to ground me. Of course, I'm not a doctor, so go listen to your doctor for whatever is bothering you, but It's just what I like to do. Ah, so I can't open it one-handed, but I can close it one-handed. Okay, next time I will put my phone on something. This was just a impromptu video. And you can see this slowly sizzling and drying up. When it's done, I'll turn the video back on. Okay, now that this is ready, you see how I'm going to scoop it up. You can see a little bit of the crispiness. And just scoop it in some random bowl I have here. Sometimes I'll reuse the bowl that I cooked the rice in. This time that would lead to less dishes, and it's ideal. I guess today I felt like putting it into a smaller bowl. And also the bowl I put that the rice was in has moisture, and I want this crispy, so I don't want to have moisture added. If I make fried rice, I'll just stick it into the the pot that the rice was cooked in. So here, we have some crispy rice. We're gonna eat some of the crispy rice now. Sorry, I'm holding this phone. It's nice and crispy pieces. Nice and crunchy. It's seasoned with sesame oil, chili flakes, salt, and pepper. And I have little pieces of wakame here. It's a nice snack.